Coming on here because I just received this wooden ladle set for review and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it does come with a little user instructions. These are what the ladles look like. They're each handmade, so I'm super excited for these. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's a little one. That is so cute, so well crafted. Like, look at all the details. And then we've got this if you want to put it on something, or if you just want to put it down, it will just hold itself. So cool. Really like that. Let's see the other ones. All right, and here is the medium size. Compared to the little one, this is how big it is. Okay, so I would say this is perfect for like, if you're making pancakes, honestly, like getting the dough out and putting it into the pan, this is actually perfect. And then this is the big one. This is amazing. This is perfect for like stews. I make a lot of Hungarian stews and it's perfect. And they all have this, which is great. And then it does have kind of like a curve to it, which makes it easier to hold. But honestly, they're so nice. Look at them. So pretty, so well crafted. And I definitely can't wait to try these out. But yeah, you definitely need these.